What's up, everybody? I can't do that. See, one day I'll be doing that with Peter McKinnon right here on my side, and I'll have his permission to do it. But as in right now, welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Things have changed. I used to look like this just a week ago. Now what hasn't changed is that today we're going to be reviewing part 2 of the YouTube series Photo Composition. In part 1 we discussed the rule of thirds. I'm going to be linking it right over here, or it's going to be down in the description box. Now vanishing points are lines that you see on a picture that guide your eye to the point where they converge, and then they leave everything else to your imagination. Now on a daily basis you can find vanishing points everywhere. You can see the lines of the roads or the cars itself if you do a long exposure, the buildings, the sidewalk, railways, tunnels. You just need to keep an eye to be able to find these vanishing points. Now of course we already saw the rule of thirds, but you can use more than one rule in the same picture. Now let me put on screen the first example that we're going to see today. Okay, so this picture was taken on Mono Lake, California, and clearly as you can see we have two lines, one at each side of this wooden pathway. The two lines that are moving forward converge and leave to your imagination where is this pathway going. Now this next picture was taken in a vineyard about 15 to 20 minutes from where I live. Now on this one, as you can see, the horizon is strictly on the middle, but in this case it's okay because we have these vanishing lines, these vanishing points that are guiding our eye to where we want it to be. On this one we actually have 4 lines, 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom, that are guiding our eye to that beautiful sunset. See, we're already learning ways to be able to break the rules that we just learned. Now this last picture that I'm going to show you guys is a photo taken by Juan Mendez, amazing photographer. He just started taking bangers with his new drone, and like, look at these things. Look at this picture. This dude is going places. You can find all of his social media just listed below. On this picture, he's using the railroads as the vanishing points. This make a really good vanishing point because it is a train. So it takes you to this imaginary journey of where this train is taking you. Now I have to add, guys, if you're gonna try to take these pictures, be careful. You need to be aware if there's a train coming. If you're going to take pictures in the middle of the road, be careful with oncoming traffic. You don't want to be part of a tragedy, okay? But as you can see on this picture, we have the two lines that intersect at some point, and it leaves everything else to your imagination. Now we already covered rule of thirds, that if you haven't seen it, you can click on the link below to check that first video, and we already checked vanishing points. So like this video if you learned something new. Go ahead and that subscribe button, hit that little bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video, and I'll see you on the next one.